Hi there, welcome back to another video. My boy Mr. Talented Reader, and today's video I have a 2014 Dodge Durango Limited. So I'm going to change the idle pulley wheel and the tensioner and the belt. So right here is the idle pulley wheel I'm showing right here. That's it in that box right there. Look at it, guys. Alright, I'm also going to show the part number. Look at the part number, so you can look it up and find your part. And right here is the tensioner, a complete tension with the pulley wheel on it. I'm going to change it. Also show the part number. So that's it, guys, right there. You can get this one in advanced auto or auto zone, or on what to call it, eBay or Amazon. That's the belt. So I'm going to jump in the video. That part I'm just showing you that you can remove this piece, so to see the oil filter, but you can also lift off the cap, like right there. So let's jump into the video and start working.